Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gloria and today I'll be showing you how to prepare an African dish which called cassava leaves fondue. And here is the brand that I use to prepare, and I'll be showing you the ingredients that I use to prepare my cassava leaves, so you will not be disappointed. Follow me. Now I'll be showing you my ingredients that I use to prepare my cassava. Here we are. This is chopped onions and regular onions and green onions. You can chop it the size that you want, of your choice. I like it bigger more. Okay, and here is my second ingredients, which is green pepper. I use my food blender to blend it. And here is garden egg. I'm sorry it have changed colors because it was in the freezer, so it have changed colors. It's garden or egg. Yeah, also going in the cassava leaves. And here are my chopped cucumbers. I like chopping it in bigger sizes, but you can chop it in the size that you want of your choice. Okay, and here's my final ingredients, which called ginger. Many people use it and many don't, but I use it for my own health benefit. And if you would like, you can use it and try it. You will not be disappointed. There you go. Okay, for now I'll be explaining to you what I did with my cassava leaves. First of all, I did let the water boil. So the water did boil, and then I put the green cassava leaves inside. After it's boiled like about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I throw the first water. After that it was dried, like all the water was out, and then I put it on the stove again so that I can put my ingredients together for it to boil with all the ingredients together so that it can boil. And then after it have boiled, almost like if there's maybe 15 minutes remaining, I can put my peanuts. Yeah, my peanut and oil all together, because the peanuts have to be last so that it must not burn. So first of all, I'll be putting my garden egg. There you go. I hope you guys are watching. Number one, and secondly, I'll be putting my chopped cucumbers, and thirdly, I'll be adding my green pepper. I did blend it, as I explained to you guys before. And then last, I'll be putting regular onions and green onions. There you go. I know my pot is full. We are a big family here, so I'm cooking for everybody. And you guys not be offended. I'm cooking for everybody in the family. Yeah, and then once I put peanut and oil, I'll be putting also my ginger. So everything will boil after that, and then maybe after 20 minutes I'll remove the pot and I'll show you how I'll be setting this. Okay guys, after I have mixed everything and the cassava leaves boiled, this is the color it should be showing. If not this color, then your cassava leaves is not yet ready. So this is my final ingredients, which is chopped peanut. There you go. As you can see, I'm mixing it together. And then the next thing, don't turn it, like don't mix it, because if you mix it, it's gonna burn really quickly. Don't turn it or mix it. If you mix it, it's gonna burn really quickly. So here is my oil, my palm oil. There you go. So I'll put as much as I can because this cassava leaves is a lot. There you go. So I will not turn it. After maybe 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll come and turn it around, and then I'll give it more 5 minutes for it to boil again, and then I'll take it out of the stove, and then it's done. After you put the peanuts and the oil, like palm oil, some people call it red oil. Here it's how it should be looking like. Yeah, don't mix it, because if you mix it, it's gonna burn. So you don't have to mix it. You have to give it maybe 15 to 20 minutes for it to boil again. And then after then you can mix it together and give it 5 more minutes. And then after then it's done. Oh my god, can you guys see that? So delicious. So I give it, yeah, just mixing it. Some people eat it with salt and some people just eat it like this. Just depends, but it's better with salt for me, but I don't know about you guys. So I'm gonna put maybe 2 teaspoons of salt. Not really much salt. Okay, if it's not enough, you can add it on the table. So I already put down my heat, like it's on medium. Okay guys, after all the process, here's how my dish looks like. So I made some cassava, as you guys saw me before. So this is fufu and fried fish, which called tilapia, and some hot chili. So okay guys, so from my next video, I'll be showing you how to make fufu and fried fish and spicy chili. So until then, I'll see you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So see you. Bye.